this is the price which we will like to offer for La 1S Eco,
Now I can afford it.
10,899. And in this price, let me also say that you will get La 1S Eco plus a membership worth 4,900 rupees for 1 year for life, which you will get all the beautiful
Wow.
content that you saw about earlier on in the day.
So if you get this phone, you get a membership of $5,000. That's pretty cool.
So if you really add the two numbers, which is 15,799, is that what you will be paying for this phone? Does it sound like a good price? I think no, because it's still on the higher side. So we are going to make a special offer. We're going to offer a 4,000 rupees discount on our devices for La 1S Eco, so that the phone can actually come to you at a price which is 11,799.
Wow. That is an incredible, I think we're all getting this phone.
Which will also give you 1 year La Eco membership.
Are you serious? Okay, this is sorted, done.
Yes.
I mean,
However,
right.
I think we want to actually further make it more attractive, and this is the price which we are going to offer with 1 year La Eco membership plus the La Eco offer of 4,000 rupees on devices. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and thank you both so much for being here. It's very sweet of you guys. And let's give them a huge
Where are
round
the
of applause.
super fans? Are we okay? 10,899 with 1 year membership. We're given a 4,000 rupee discount on the devices.
Thank you so
Yes,
much for the
Anna.
phones.
Just
Atul.
wait a
Thank you.
sec. Yeah, Siddharth said that he's really pushing hard. So I want to make a special offer for Siddharth.
Lovely.
Okay?
He gets a special offer? What about
Yes.
me? Do I get the
Well,
pressure cooker?
okay.
I
Well,
get
I'm
to go.
keeping
So-
this cooker.
For the first introductory offer, we are going to make at 9,999. This is the price which we'll give as an introductory
That's
offer
confusing.
for our first
That's
flash
confusing.
sale.
Only for me. Thank you, sir.
And what is my special
So
offer?
this is the price which we will offer,
That is
9,999 for the first introductory sale, which will be conducted very soon. And I'll be announcing that very soon to you.
That is amazing.
Guys, that is incredible.
That is so...
At 9,999, we are sorted, all of us.
We are. We have
all of us.
entertainment. We have a great looking phone. We can look stylish and cool and yet see all the movies. You can see us here.
Absolutely.
So
This
it's
is the
wonderful
phone.
package.
9,999.
There is 9,999. That is the starting price. And at this point in time, guys, thank you both so much for being so gracious and being here. And do share the phone whenever you're not using it. Cheers.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Have a good afternoon. Thank you all.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, post the show, there is also an opportunity for other chats if you want to do it. But at this point, we'll be moving on with the show. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Guys, we need to move on to the show, so I request you all, thank you very much. We're really running out of time. So thanks. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Give them a huge round of applause. Thanks. Bye. See you. So Atul, now that we've got the best price on the phone, I request you please continue with more wonderful information.
This is the price which we are going to offer as the introductory price. We will have the first flash sale of 100,000 units on 12th of May 2016 at this introductory prize at 2 p.m. I'm honored really to also have Mr. Samar, who is the Chief Business Officer from Flipkart.
We're here just for this event, and we're here to launch this phone, Laiko. And we have every reason to endorse this, I think, today, because it has all the features. We can watch our movies on it. You can watch us on
It's
your
like
smartphone.
supertainment.
It looks very good. It's very affordable. So I think it's not a long-term association, but आज के दिन के लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा event है और बहुत ही अच्छा phone है.
Sorry?
Whenever you become a part of any brand, you associate yourself with any brand. What are three things you look into?
I think it's very important that. I think when you give your name to endorse a brand or to represent a brand, you have to be very sure of the brand that you're endorsing. So I always look at the quality of the product, because I want to be able to give some credibility. With the Laiko, it's a great phone. It looks good. We went through the features. It's amazing. I know it's a phone I would use. So which is why being here today.
Yeah, it's got
is
Bollywood
important.
integrated, guys. You can watch and listen to our
And
music.
live.
Live,
Yeah.
watch our movies. So we are here to represent the Bollywood aspect of this phone.
Who's your 2 AM friend?
You.
2 a.m.
2 AM
friend.
क्या करना है? What do you do in 2 AM?
Your doggy.
I'm sleeping with my dog. He's right there. He's my best friend, my buddy,
Different
everything.
size.
At 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM.
सितारा से खबर थी कि आपकी तबीयत खराब थी
हाँ जी, तबीयत खराब थी. अभी रिकवर करके आज पहली बार बाहर निकला हूँ. I was homebound for last 3 or 4 days. So very well, thank you. Feeling better now to start shooting with her. We are starting our film.
Yes.
So I have to be back in
In
about
a few
another-
days.
अभी तक आई थिंक वो नियम पास नहीं हुआ है सर, उसकी बात हो रही है. सर जब वो नियम आएगा तो ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक जो भी लॉ है उसको फॉलो करेंगे हम. ज़्यादा जानकारी जानना हमारा काम है जब एक प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स करते हैं. पर जो क्लेम्स वो बनाते हैं या हम लोग खुद प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं कर सकते, तो आई थिंक ऑब्वियसली उस लॉ के कोई नियम होंगे, उसके अंदर भी कोई पॉइंट्स होंगे जो फॉलो करने. तो ऑफकोर्स गवर्नमेंट अगर करती है तो डेफिनेटली वी विल फॉलो व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट टेल्स अस टू. बट आई थिंक अभी के लिए एज आई सेड हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं कर रहे, हम उनके फेस बन रहे हैं, उनकी कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं. जैसे हम अभी पिक्चर प्रमोट करते हैं वैसे उनके लिए प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक अगर वहाँ तक रहे तो अच्छा है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट क्लेमिंग कि हमने बनाया है.
सेकंड पार्ट में आप लोगों से कितना होप
हमारी पिक्चर पार्ट 2 नहीं है बैंग बैंग.
एकदम मतलब
New film.
प्राइस के बहुत कम है. अगर किसी को गिफ्ट करना तो किसका गिफ्ट करोगे?
हाँ जी, ये फ़ोन
बहुत
इसमें सारे काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. हाँ, बॉलीवुड वो फ़ोन किसको गिफ्ट
Also
करेंगे?
affordable.
अफोर्डेबल
Who
भी,
would we
सस्ता है.
give it?
सस्ता फ़ोन है तो मैं
Can
काफ़ी
give it
लोग
to Raj and
यूज़
DK.
या राजन डी के
Our
हमारे
new
डायरेक्टर्स है
directors.
डुओ जिनके साथ शूटिंग करने वाले हैं. आई थिंक
Yeah.
पहली बार मैं 2 डायरेक्टर टीम के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, तो उन दोनों को एक फ़ोन दूंगा तो कम्युनिकेशन ज़्यादा बेटर हो जाएगी.
Okay, how excited you are working with Jacqueline in Raj?
वेरी एक्साइटेड. जैकलिन के साथ एक्साइटमेंट की जरूरत
thank
नहीं
you
है,
so
बिकॉज
much.
जैकलिन सारी एक्साइटमेंट ले आती है. सो एज यू कैन सी इनकी लाफ और इनकी एक्साइटमेंट, सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू स्टार्ट शूटिंग विद हर.
I'm also very excited.
एंड
ऐसी खबर थी कि आप सिंगल ले रहे
मैं
जी
मैं single?
ये डबल हो गया, क्या हो गया?
और आप
मैं single नहीं हूँ.
शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट योर वेट.
My
ये डबल लग रही है.
I'm gonna sing a
वजन
single.
मतलब आप
Release a single.
एक्स के साथ वापस आप आ गई हैं, ऐसी खबर आई थी. कितनी सही है, क्या है आपके?
I don't know about me being single, but I'm definitely into like releasing a single, doing a single.
Oh yeah,
you
you
know,
should.
we should do it for like
Should
our
do it.
film.
Release a
Yes.
single, sing some songs, do some
Yes,
moves.
I'd
Yeah.
love to.
A bit reluctant while photographers were capturing you while you were leaving from Siddharth's house. So what would you like to say about it?
What?
Who is
Reluctant,
that?
what?
Who is that person? No, but honestly, we were doing our reading.
Yeah.
So, and it wasn't about being reluctant. It's just that when people are on private property, I just find it a bit wrong.
Yeah, when they're not called
You
for.
know?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
now it's becoming difficult and difficult for us to even walk out of anywhere.
And
I think-
it's a home, and I just feel that it is not right to do that.
Definitely मैं always बनता रह गया था पिक्चर में, पर अभी प्लान है. बचपन से मैं ऐसी पिक्चर देखता आ रहा हूँ, और of course I think if to be another Indian superhero will be something that I'm looking forward to.
Okay, too early to talk about, but still, if you can throw some more light, the film which you are doing with Raj and DK.
अरे वो टू अली तो नहीं, अभी शुरू करने वाले हैं. But it's the title is not अभी तक हम इतनी mystery रख रहे हैं because we want to come out with
Even
the
we
best
don't
title
know.
and launch it. It's definitely not a part 2 of anything. And yeah, we're gonna start. It's got a lot of action. उसमें काफी quirky comedy है action के बीच में, love story
Very
है.
cool. It's shot abroad.
We're shooting in Miami. We're gonna shoot in Malaysia. I'm training for action in that. तो अभी हम लोग इसी हफ्ते शुरू करने वाले हैं हफ्ते के end में. So we'll have I thoroughly
Yeah.
enjoyed the team. Rajan, DK and Jacqueline, all of us have gotten along really well in our readings. And
We're having fun at the
I think it'll be an
workshop.
entertaining action film. And looking forward to start it this
Jacqueline,
week.
even you are part of the action. As you said, you know, it's a totally action film.
Yeah, you're right.
Yes, I am
Yes.
actually. I am actually. I mean, so I'm part of the scenes with all the action. You know, like we will have.
She does. You'll see her. Yeah, you will see her do a bit of
Yeah,
action. in the
actually.
climax,
So I'm excited about that because I am an action person.
जैकलीन सिद्धार्थ इस समय बॉलीवुड में भी एक वॉर चल रहा है, लीगल वॉर चल रहा है. अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे ऋतिक और कंगना, अगर ऐसी होती है तो आपके क्या राय है?
I hope it finishes and ends because I mean I know how difficult and what they must be going through right now. So I hope that it comes to an end soon, an amicable ending.
Nothing, as I said, I think किसी का personal matter है and I have no knowledge, so I feel this is not correct for me to comment. नहीं देखी अभी तक मैंने. हाँ जी. मैंने देखी नहीं है. मैं तब बीमार था, उनकी
go see
स्क्रीनिंग
it.
थी. Obviously मेरे plans है देखने के. It'll be very interesting to see वरुण की आवाज़ और Captain America. So I think looking forward to it and I'll definitely watch it.
Thank you.